Hello my dear friends, welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Students, from this video onward we are going to start a new lesson. Name of the lesson is indices and cube roots. Friends, let's revise what we have learned about indices in last standard. Students, all of you know if I will write a term like 7x raised to 5. In this term, this 7 is called as coefficient. This x is called as variable. And this 5 is called as index. But instead of a term, if I will use a number, suppose I will write as 3 raised to 4. In this example, this 3, only a number, is called as base. So this 3 is a base and this 4 is called as index. Clear, students? And what is the meaning of this 3 raised to 4? 3 raised to 4 means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 4 times, and whatever is the answer of multiplication, that we have to write. Clear, students? So this part we learn. Then we learn how to find out square root. We learn what is meant by square roots. For example, square root of 49 is equals to 7. Such example we have solved in last standard, 7th standard. We learn how to find out square root of a number by factorization method. For example, if we have to find out square root of 81, then we factorize this 81 into its prime factors. 81 divided by 3, 8 plus 1, 9 divisible by 3. So answer is 27. 27 divided by 3, 9. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. And this is our final answer. So root 81 can be written as into the square root 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So root 81 is equal to root 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This part also we learned. Then as we are finding out square root. Square root means second root. So we are making pair of two numbers, two such factors, and multiplying them with each other. So for one pair 1 3 is out, for second pair 1 3 is out, and we are multiplying this 3 into 3, 9. Okay, students. Then why we made a pair of 2 only? Why didn't we make a pair of 3? Why didn't we make a group of 3, group of 4, group of 5? We have made a pair of 2 only. Why? Because we are finding second root. Which root we are finding? We are finding second root. In case if we have to find out third root, we have to make a group of 3 numbers. In case we have to find out fourth root, we have to make a group of 4 numbers. Clear, students? As we are finding this second root. Square root 49 means second root of 49. Similarly, root 81 is nothing but second root of 81. Clear, students? Revise up to this. Now the question arises, as we have written this root in the root form, can we write this root in the index form as shown above? And the answer is yes. The answer is perfectly yes. We can write the roots in the form of index. Let us see how. For that, we just have to write the root as an index in the form of fraction. Which root we are finding? Second root. Base is 49 as it is. So 49 we will write as a base. And we are finding its second root. So its index will be 1 upon 2. Clear students? 49 raised to 1 upon 2 means square root of 49. Now everyone please just answer in comment a question. Students, square root 49 raised to 1 upon 2 means square root of 49. Then what is meant by 49 raised to 2? What is meant by 49 raised to 2? Please write your answer in the comments. Clear students? Okay, so here we learn how to write square root of 49. We can write it as a fraction in the form of index. Index in the form of fraction. So square root of 81. How do we write it as? How we have to write it as? We can write it as 81 raised to 1 upon 2. Okay, suppose we have to write square root of 100. Square root of 100 means second root of 100. And how can we write it as? We can write it as 100 raised to 1 upon 2. Meaning is second root of 100. Students, one interesting thing about second and third root is, as we are calling second index as square, third index as cube, we can denote second root as square root and third root as cube root. Clear? Please remember this thing. Second root as square root, third root as cube root, second index as square, third index as cube. Now, as we have shown here, second index, can we show third index, fourth index, fifth index? The answer is perfectly yes. Let us see how. Suppose we have to find out cube root of 343. We can write it as 343 raised to 1 upon 3. And in words we can write it as, or how to pronounce it? We will pronounce it as cube root of 343. 27 raised to 1 upon 3 means what? It is nothing but cube root of 27. And we can write various such roots. For example, 625 raised to 1 upon 4 means, what will be the meaning of 624 raised to 1 upon 4? The meaning is fourth root of 6 to 5. Clear students? I hope you have understood it. Thank you very much.